Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase Google Drive storage. So as you can see here, I'm at the home page of Google and I'm going to open up my Google Drive here. And yeah, once you're inside Google Drive, on the upper left hand side you will see where you have the options for Google Drive here, and you'll see that you have a section called storage as well. And if you look below that, you will see how much space you have used and how much available, and you have the option that says get more. Now if you click in storage, you can see more details here. You can see what's taking up your space, and of course you can do a quick cleanup from there as well. And yeah, you can delete files. You can also get more storage from here as well. So you can click it here on the storage, or you can simple do it from the left hand side. So it doesn't matter which one. So you click get more storage and you'll be taken over to Google One. So here you'll be able to see how much it costs to get more storage. And as you can see, the most popular one is to get 100 GB, right? And you can use that for photos, Drive, and even for Gmail. How cool is that? So here you have the options here. You can pay monthly or you can pay annually, and it shows you how much you pay monthly, how much you pay annually. If you choose any one of these options, you also have an option to get 200 GB. You can click the drop down here and you can see how much it costs as well. If you like to see more plans, you can just simply click see all plans, and you'll be taken over to one page where you can just go ahead and just choose whichever options you want. So here you can see that by default, once you create a Google account, you have 15 GB free, right? You can use that for photos, Drive, and also it includes your emails. So it means that you can, whatever plan you choose, you will be able to use it for all three. So here are the different options. You have the recommended one, the standard, and the premium, which is 2 TB, right? So yeah, once you're ready, you just go ahead and choose, they normally give you a discount. So you can simply choose the option that says get discount, right? And once you click on that, you'll be able to continue. So you can choose how you want to pay, if you want to do it for 6 months or you want to do it for a year, right? And you also get the option how you want to do the billing. So you see that it says for X amount of for 6 months you will get to pay a certain price. That's this the count that you get, and after 6 months then you pay a certain price. And the same goes here for 12 months. You get this for a certain price, and then after 12 months you get a certain price. So you choose whichever way you want to pay, then click and continue. Then from here you need to accept those terms, so you click and agree. And here you want to go ahead and you will have the option to choose how you want to pay. So here you can add a credit card, you can pay by PayPal, or you can even do it through Pay Safe Card as well, and even use redeem code as well. You can even do this by paying on your phone. So choose whichever option you want. If, for example, I want to do credit card, I click add card, and from here I'll be able to fill in the card details and so much more. So guys, that's basically it. That's how you go ahead and increase your Google Drive space. Follow this process, and once you choose a plan that you want, add your payment details, then you'll be able to proceed. And once that is finished, guys, you'll be able to see inside your Google Drive the space increase here, and yeah, you can go ahead and make use of the new space. And that's it, guys, how to increase Google Drive storage. Very easy and very simple.